The Dockyard is something I've been working on and, to be honest, putting off quite a bit since, well, for quite some time. Time to finish it off. This is the first of 2 videos. I'll do most of the stuff here. You can sort of see it in the background. And the second one will be in a few weeks' time, when I'll add the lighting and try and finish it all off. Enjoy.
Would you have me do? Well, I could take you to heaven if you wanted me to. And what would you have me give? Diamonds and gold, they mean nothing to me, 'cause I could give to you everything that you wanted to be.
Next phase is to sand this, which will make it flat, but also give it more of a textured look.
What you really want, oh, what scares me, oh, it tears me, is what you really want, what you really want.
While this continues to dry, a few things to do. I've got some model scale scenery containers, 40-foot containers, which I have made up here. And they're to go sort of, in the background, stacked up. And then in front of that, I've got a couple of the new Dapol released containers with opening doors that I've got the graffiti over them. It's just a little bit, add a bit more depth to it. Also building a retaining wall, scale model scenery, industrial red brick wall kit. So there's an example of one piece, and then they're connected. That'll go around the edge. Then I've got also scale model scenery, tube clamp safety railings, which I've sprayed yellow, and those will go sort of along here. Scale model scenery, also their fencing. I think I've covered this on a previous video, and then that's then sprayed silver. That'll be the exit. They'll go the main fence around, and then also various other bits, automatic raising arm barriers, a loading bay to attach to one of their backdrops, and the last piece is the anti-trespass kit, which will go just the other side of here. Fencing, gate, anti-trespass kit. I also have a series of Pico hydraulic buffer stops to go at the end of each run. I got a prefab kit as well, Woodland Scenics, which is Woodland Scenics? No, it's not. Bachmann. It's the Bachmann Scenics range, which is rather nice. So again, combining some of the cheaper build your own stuff with the odd piece of purchased detail, like that crane and that prefab unit there, just to give it a bit more depth.
Our hero lives in a box at the bottom of a Coca-Cola sign, like some great altar to God, flashing messages all of the time. He doesn't come here to worship, no, he comes here to live. to the city to take whatever we don't give. He used to have a little baby, but a fragile thing can soon be gone. A little cold never hurt you and me, but her, she didn't last long. And our hero stares at the stars, watches them turn red and white. He says these are men who have made this, and this is not God's light. And he says, hear me.
Also from Scale Model Scenery is this, it's an LX097. It's tube clamp railings. It comes grey in the standard sort of card. You then just spray it yellow, cut it out, and that'll provide a security railing going across here. So let's glue that in now.
And he knows these are men who made this, and their day soon must come. And all the people at the bottom are praying, Lord, thy will be done. And they're shouting, hear me, I'm at the bottom of the red and white sign. Hear me, I'm at the bottom and I am coming for you.
Now in the back of the model I showed before, I put a couple of LEDs in there for lighting. So I'll drill that through when I do the lighting, not yet, that'll be later, and that'll be lit up. And then you've got the tubular fence. I need to make more of this fence to go around the corner here. I've got some, I'm going to cut it to size and finish it. And then carry on working my way around with the next wall, which is a brick wall.
Our hero lays in the grass, dreaming of his little sweet child. He remembers holding her hands and touching her little sweet smile. If a man can create this, a neon tower into the sky, where the
Also from Scale Model Scenery, the weathered road markings RX014. There are some sheets, might not show very well, it does sort of, cut sheets, just peel them off and stick them on. White and yellow road markings, those are harder to see. You peel them off and stick them on. So let's do that around my dockyard.
It's been a long time since we've spoken. Thought that I might give a call. Did you like the flowers? A small token. A gift for you's no trouble at all.
Right, quick progress check. Buffers are in. The track for my crane is in. The wall that goes round is now in, and I've added lighting here. More wall going back here. I've got some of the road markings in. Not complete, need to work around. Done more of the, finished off the metal perimeter fence. Added my cell phone tower. I've moved the yellow. I need to order some more of this to create a barrier here against what is a sort of rough car park entrance. And a couple of parking bays, and again in my cabin, that's this as well, with two lights. I'll also see in my container areas the start of the container ship, which I'm building. That's using a Christendon model for the printed out scenic I've got. You can see the size, so that'll be good. It's going to take quite a while to do. No video on that because that'll take months, a long time to build. to come together. Next, it's the lights. I'll go in shortly. And then it's dressing all the scenics. So I've got lots of glue here. I need to put clumps of grass and just hide all that and finish it off. But the lighting, I think, will make a big difference. And I've still got a few more bits and pieces to add in just to finish it all off. But I'm very pleased with these two containers I've got here with graffiti on them. I think they look rather nice. Get in there.
No other woman fills my arms. I want to believe